Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, make sure you get the most updated videos that we're putting out today. Let's get started, okay? When the government shuts down for 43 days, you'd expect the market to be in full panic mode. But this time, the market basically shrugged, grabbed a coffee, and said, wake me up when something actually changes. I'm Jay Duffy with Frame Wealth Partners, and today we're breaking down what the longest government shutdown in US history actually means for your investments, your business, and your financial plan. And more importantly, why this whole thing probably mattered a lot less than the headlines told you it did. So, what actually happened? The shutdown ran from October 1st to November 12th, 43 days. That's long enough for most New Year's resolutions to fail and for Congress to prove yet again that deadlines are more of a suggestion than a reality. But the bigger story is what didn't happen. The market didn't sell off, investor confidence didn't vanish, and the economy didn't fall off a cliff. In fact, during the shutdown, the S&P 500 actually gained more than 2%, and the Dow hit an all-time high. That's not normal behavior for a system supposedly in crisis. So the question becomes, how? So why didn't the market care? Financial markets don't live in the same world as cable news. They pay attention to a far simpler, far more disciplined checklist. Earnings, valuations, interest rates, inflation. Shutdowns don't directly change these drivers. They feel big, they sound big, but structurally, they're temporary friction, not long-term fundamentals. Even the labor disruption had a limited macro effect. Federal employees represent roughly 1.8% of the entire US workforce. When you zoom out, that's a surprisingly small slice of the economic pie. So while real families were impacted, and that part is serious, the broader market treated this like a stall at a green light. Inconvenient, but not a threat to the engine. So what was unique about this shutdown? Well, the shutdown had a twist. It happened alongside planned federal workforce reductions. The bill that reopened the government reversed those layoffs. So we had furloughs, then reinstatements, all in the same multi-week window. Confusing? Yes. Economically devastating? Nah. Shutdowns often create short-term deadlines in spending because federal workers delay purchases. That's normal. But historically, once the government reopens, that spending bounces right back. Shutdowns are more like recess than game over. Okay, so what should business owners take away from this? Well, entrepreneurs, executives, business owners, political disruptions will always come and go. Some are loud, some are dramatic. Some could probably win an Emmy, if you ask me. But your business cash flow, tax positioning, investment discipline, insurance strategy, and estate structure shouldn't move every time Washington argues over who left the lights on. Shutdowns don't change your long-term investment policy, your tax bracket, your retirement strategy, your business valuation, or your family's financial priorities. If any of those items change in your life, that's a reason to adjust your plan. But if the only thing that changed is a politician missing a deadline, that's not strategy, that's noise. Could this happen again in January? Short answer, yes. The government is funded only through January 30th, if you believe that. So we could absolutely rinse and repeat this discussion, but now you already know the playbook. Shutdown headlines do not equal shutdown markets. They are not the same thing. The market reacts to data, the media reacts to drama. And the two are, let's call it loosely acquainted. What should you actually do? Stay disciplined, stay patient, stay invested, and ensure your plan is built on your goals, not on Washington's lack of time management. If your income changes, talk to us. If your business takes a new direction, talk to us. If your family situation changes, talk to us. If Congress takes another vacation during work hours, take a deep breath and go back to running your life. Shutdowns are temporary interruptions. Your financial plan is long-term architecture. One is noise, one is strategy. Know which is which. The longest government shutdown in history grabbed the headlines, but it didn't change the fundamentals that matter, and it didn't derail disciplined investors. If anything, in your personal financial world has changed, reach out. We'll walk through it together. We are Frame Wealth Partners, helping you stay focused, stay informed, and stay ahead, even when Washington isn't. Take care.